The elephant is one of the most iconic and majestic creatures on Earth. Belonging to the family Elephantidae and the order Proboscidea, elephants are the largest land animals, characterized by their massive size, distinctive long trunks, and impressive tusks. In this explanation, we will delve into the key aspects of elephants, including their physical characteristics, behavior, habitat, and conservation status. Physical characteristics. Elephants are known for their immense size. The two main species of elephants are the African elephant, Loxodonta africana and Loxodonta cyclotis, and the Asian elephant, Elephas maximus. Male African elephants can reach heights of up to 13 feet, 4 meters, at the shoulder and weigh around 5 to 7 tons, 4,500 to 6,000, 300 to 6,000, 350 kilograms, while male Asian elephants tend to be slightly smaller. Females of both species are generally smaller than males. Elephants have thick gray skin, large flapping ears, and elongated trunks that serve multiple functions. Behavior and social structure. Elephants are highly intelligent and exhibit complex social behaviors. They live in matriarchal societies where older females, called matriarchs, lead the groups known as herds. Herds consist of related females and their offspring, while adult males tend to live in separate bachelor groups or roam alone. Communication among elephants involves vocalizations, such as trumpeting and rumbling, as well as visual displays and touch. Habitat and range. Elephants are found in diverse habitats, including forests, grasslands, and savannas, depending on the species. African elephants are distributed across sub-Saharan Africa, while Asian elephants inhabit various countries in South and Southeast Asia, such as India, Thailand, and Indonesia. Elephants require extensive areas for foraging and water sources due to their large size and dietary needs. Diet and feeding habits. Elephants are herbivores with a primarily vegetarian diet. They consume vast quantities of plant matter, including grasses, leaves, bark, and fruits. Their diet is crucial in shaping their environment, as they can have a significant impact on vegetation and play a role in seed dispersal. Conservation status and threats. Both African and Asian elephants face significant conservation challenges. African elephants are classified as vulnerable, and Asian elephants are considered endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, UCEN. Threats include habitat loss due to human activities, such as deforestation and agricultural expansion, poaching for ivory and other body parts, and conflicts with humans due to habitat encroachment. Conservation efforts focus on habitat protection, anti-poaching measures, community engagement, and promoting sustainable practices to secure a future for these magnificent animals. Elephants hold great cultural significance in many societies and are admired for their intelligence, emotional depth, and social bonds. Their conservation is crucial not only for preserving biodiversity, but also for maintaining healthy ecosystems and the intricate balance of nature. Efforts to protect and conserve elephants involve the collaboration of governments, organizations, and individuals worldwide to ensure a future where these magnificent creatures can thrive.